Hi guys, this is Jamie. I'm going to teach you how to make your own curly hair styling cream. What you will need: small dish and teaspoon, container, 3 teaspoons of shea butter, 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, 3 teaspoons of Jamaican castor oil, 3 teaspoons of cocoa butter. Then mix all the ingredients together in a small dish. Then microwave it for about 2 minutes. And ta-da! Be careful when you pour that mixture into the container. Apply it to your damp hair. You don't need to buy expensive hairstyling products. You can make it on your own. What are you waiting for? Make your own curly hair styling cream today! For more DIYs, click the subscribe button.